In this video, I'll teach you how to connect Spotify to your Discord. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Now, the way that you connect to Discord is through the Discord app. Open up Discord on your phone or on the website on your laptop. It's going to be the same process. Once you're inside of Discord, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and then head over to settings, which is this gear icon on the top right of the screen. Once you're inside of settings in Discord, you can scroll down and under account settings, you'll see the option called connections. This is the section that allows you to connect Discord to all of these applications. You'll be able to see the option or the icon of Spotify right here. If you don't, tap on add on the top right. And here you can see the option called Spotify. You can just tap on this option and you'll be directed to a web browser. Inside of this web browser, you need to log into your Spotify account. So type in your email address and your password and then log in. Once you log into your Spotify account, you'll see the screen where you need to just tap on agree. And your Discord and Spotify will be connected with each other. Once you see this screen, that means your Spotify now has been successfully connected to your Discord account. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.